Yeah, about app.
Okay, so I was using Buddy Talk, and there's one more app which is Lingbay. I maybe the pronunciation
Yeah,
is can be different. It is Lingbay.
Linkway. Yeah.
So both
Hmm.
both these apps are free, and I believe
Hmm.
Lingbay is much better because you can
Hmm.
connect with people from like Mexico, Spain, Peru, different countries. In Buddy Talk, they actually connect with us like from Bangladesh or Nepal, Pakistan. But in Lingbay, we
Hmm.
can actually talk with people from Spain or Mexico. So I believe Lingbay is better.
Okay, so like what you got while using that app? Like their people is good and not. The people are good and they misuse and like they abuse and what? They're
Like I believe Lingbay is much better. Like Linkbay's got the much better community. But Buddy Talk, like if you are like people can disconnect the call very easily. But in Lingbay, they show the message like if you disconnect, then it will be like bad impression on your profile. So
mm-hmm,
in Lingbay, that's why people don't cut the call like very early. There is an option
mm-hmm.
that you can cut early, but people stay because of that message.
Okay, oh 1 minute. Doesn't call me. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, what do you
So like
do? Like, what is your routine on learning English like nowadays?
so nowadays, I'm just nothing doing anything. I'm talking with people, and as you know, I have my group, so I have to manage that group because I
Okay.
think people want to learn English, but sometimes it's happened. They forgot her goal and her and his goal and desire, and like they lost herself. Like they don't want to do anything. You know, they don't want to do any kind of effort. If I there is a really good such kind of faculty while meet people and talk to them, but I think maybe they don't want to talk them there and like now everyone like sometime they are not online, they are not talking to each other, so that type of problem I'm facing. Like this is I'm only one person, so that is big issue for me. I have to manage that group. But if there is a lots of people, so I expect them ki yeah they also capable to manage that group. Yeah,
But
they talk there, they share something, you know and like I send so many messages there and I share so many things, but sometimes some people reply but some people is not replying there, so that type of
so
issue.
what my suggestion to you is that you don't have to send so many messages. The reason is that let them talk for few days
Mm-hmm.
like with each other. Don't send the
Mm-hmm.
content like you are actually sending useful content, but like the thing is you I mean you work actually you work or you are teacher, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
you
I'm
are
a
using
teacher. Mm-hmm.
yeah, you are using more time in that group. But if you can manage, then you can send the
Mm-hmm.
content. Right now, like people message in that group,
Mm-hmm.
like anyone need, so let them do what
Yeah.
like whoever they
Mm-hmm.
want to talk. Let them do it and
Mm-hmm.
maybe send
Mm-hmm.
less content for few days because it takes
Mm-hmm.
actually
Mm-hmm.
more time to do that. So that's it.
Yeah, okay, I will definitely do it that thing. Just I wanna like whatever I have, so I wanna share them. So that is a thing only. But okay, I will do that. Sometime I will quit in that group and I will see what they are doing.
Yeah, you can because
I also want to see what they are doing. Yeah.
because we need to build that community, a good community. So they also need to
Yes.
contribute. So
Yes.
let them
Contribute. Right.
let's see what content they will provide.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Definitely, I will do that thing. What you told me. And have you ever used Hello app?
Yes, I installed it few days ago, but I believe there is more like like writing, chatting option than talking with someone. There is an option, but in apps like Lingbay and Buddy Talk, you like actually first you make a call. So I believe that is more important
Yeah.
because if you are making a
Yeah,
call,
right.
then you are actually practicing spoken English. But I don't want to, first, chat so much, then make a call because it wastes time. I want to improve my
Yeah.
spoken English.
Yeah, right.
So Pay and Buddy Talk, they are working, great for me.
Just calling me. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
I cut that call and yeah, no, yeah. I think now Jess is free, so that's why he wanna talk to me. But now I'm talking to you, so I will talk to him after some time. He is
So
really so
that
busy guy, and he's just
what
called
he
nothing. Yeah, continue. Yeah,
no,
Jess.
I was
You know.
I was actually gonna talk about him. Like he's got a really good accent. He's like improving, and I believe
Yeah,
his accent is actually good, very
it's the
good.
only Yeah, it's the, only his hard work and his environment. And if you haven't, so don't think about. Just listen. Native speaker. Listen more and more as you can.
So,
Listening is the one thing that we improve our pronunciation also.
one
Yeah.
question for you, like, do you want to, learn UK or United States accent, or you just want to, learn English and speak in your own accent?
No, 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 no. Yeah. I also want to speak a American accent, UK accent, but not now. After some time. And now I have only one desire. I want to become confident in this language, and after that, I will take second accent. I will take second
Okay.
accent. That is very important for us. And now, still, if I'm focused about accent, so I think I'm not capable to speak anyone. And that person is really they don't understand me. What I want to tell them, and how can I communicate them. So that is the thing. I will do that thing, but not now. After I think 2 and 3 months after, I will do that thing. Because now, I understand one thing. Whenever I watch any kind of video, American and Hollywood movie, so now I'm easily capable to understand each and every talk, what they are talking there, and which type of grammar and which type of sentence and what they are using each other. So I haven't need to do any kind of effort. So
Okay.
that is a good, and daily I am learning a lots of things. And yeah, you asked me one question, do you learning grammar?
So I really, want to learn grammar, and there is a book. I actually have a book. This is the
Why?
book.
Okay.
So the reason that I want to, learn grammar is because I feel like it is important for me. Like I can speak English
Mm-hmm.
and I can talk with anyone,
Mm-hmm.
but I make mistakes, so I believe
Mm-hmm.
grammar is little bit important for me. This is the book
Okay,
actually,
okay. So
and I
could you,
found it.
yeah.
So
What is
it
the
was.
writer name? This book. What is the?
So this is actually uh, Ren and Martin, English Grammar and
Oh wow,
Composition.
that's really good. Yeah, yeah.
So I
My sir also preferred that thing when I was in that class. So yeah,
okay.
my sir told me about that grammar book. Yeah, but I didn't use it. You know, okay, if you wanna learn grammar, so that is good. But it will come naturally. We don't need to take any kind of lots of accent to learn this grammar. If you focus about grammar, so I think you forget talking and communicate to people. It will come suddenly. We don't need to. Yeah, if we grammar rules, not grammar rules, like grammar just a structure. So while watching video, you understand. Yeah, where they are using this and that. Yeah, like if you wanna teach any person and if you wanna command a like a very correct way if you want to talk. So yeah, you need to also focus about grammar. But now I focus about 1 and 2 months just only, because you started now recently to speak this English. So just forget only 1 and 2 months. After that, you will continue.
Okay.
And yeah,
Because
whenever
like
you watch any kind of